Hi there, you're watching Style Mint and welcome to a Color Splashed episode. You know, we at Myntra love colors. I mean, look at our logo. And what we love all the more are acid tones, fluorescent shades. Over the next few minutes, we'll tell you how to do neon right. White and shades of white are great options to highlight your neon accents. A plain dress in a neutral color like the one our model is wearing is great when you have neon accessories like the ones we're showing here. As the shades of neon are popping, we wanted to pick a dress that's very minimal. The bag and shoes, as you can see, are matching shades of acid yellow. If you're bold enough, do also try a neon shade of eyeshadow. It often spunks it up like nothing else does. The idea is to keep it to just one shade and not mix neon shades on one particular look. It's casual, breezy, with just the right amount of edge and is sure to get you noticed. Neon shades are great for sprucing up a casual look. For our male model, we picked an acid orange t-shirt with a very interesting graphic print and paired it with the pale blue Bermudas. Since neon orange is quite an overwhelming color in itself, we've kept the accessories fairly minimal. A frosted belt and blue and white boat shoes complete his look. It's a fun and energetic look and is great when you're hanging out with your friends at a park. Take bridal dressing to the next level with a look like this. If you thought neon was a bit much for work, think again. A neon yellow shirt paired with bright blue trousers and a really funky tie like the one our model is wearing is just so cool for bridal dressing. If you want to take your cool quotient a notch higher, those glasses are for you. Since there's quite a bit of color happening on this look anyway, the laptop bag was picked in a neutral color. So you know what to wear next Friday. Just this. Yes folks, this is a sari. How does one contemporize the sari and make it look uber funky without really putting in too much effort? Well, this is how. One of the easiest ways of wearing the modern sari is to add pops of neon to it. The blouse that you see with the sari is actually a top, and with that we've paired these really cute neon orange loafers. A super cute Princess Leia hairstyle, funky pair of glasses, chandelier earrings, and you're good to go to a cocktail evening. Love this look and want to wear it to work? We'll tell you how. All you need to do is lose that knot there on the blouse and perhaps, just try a different hairstyle. If you loved our neon episodes and what the models wore, you can shop these looks from Myntra.com. Check out Myntra.com for the latest in fashion. So what are you waiting for? Think neon and stay ahead.